So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba magpasa-load sa Smart and TNT gamit ang Smart app. But first, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, make sure na meron kayong Smart application and dapat nakalink yung phone number ninyo na ipang papasa-load sa mismong application ng Smart app. So open na natin guys yung Smart app natin. So login nyo guys yung inyong account na nakalink sa inyong phone number. So ayan guys, kung makikita nyo yung aking nakalink na phone number is merong available load na 50 pesos. So pwede tayong magpasa-load. So, dito guys, sa pinakang homepage, itap nyo lang yung pasa na nandito sa baba. And ayan guys, dito, ilalagay na natin or mag-e-enter na tayo ng phone number na gusto nyong pasahan ng load. So, dito guys, ilalagay nyo yung phone number na gusto nyong pasahan. So, lagay nyo lang. And ako kasi guys, is nakalink yung isa kong number dito. So, ito na lang yung itatap ko or pipiliin ko. So, ayan, tap natin guys yung pasa load. So, ito guys, yung mga amount na pwede nating ipasa or isend load. Merong 50 pesos, 100, 200, 300, 500, and then 1,000. So, pipiliin ko is yung 50 pesos. So, tap nyo yung 50 pesos. So, ayan guys, dito kung makikita nyo, ang malalas sa aking load balance is 51 pesos since meron siyang 1 peso na transaction fee. So, tap lang natin guys yung confirm para ma-confirm yung ating pasa load. So, lagay lang natin guys yung OTP sent na sinend sa ating phone number. So, tap lang natin guys yung proceed. And ayan guys, kung makita nyo, you have sent 50 pesos to this number, valid for 30 days. So, yung 1 peso is para sa transaction fee. So, ayan lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba magpasa-load sa Smart and TNT gamit ang Smart app. Kapag question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life